370 square meter home. It will be the biggest house I've ever built. And now I'm inside and we've almost done it. We're on site and we're going to walk through the biggest house I've built to date. Let's take a look around. One solid fence. Panels are up. We've got the first pour of the driveway. Decking is going down. Decking has gone down. We're just doing the border. It's all coming together, it's all happening, and it's about to get finished. Let's take a walk around. So we're inside and the oak flooring has gone down and the kitchen cabinets are in. Stone bench top has been measured. We just need the gas fire. Now that we've put the oak flooring down, we've also got the majority of the skirting back in. So whenever you do hard flooring in those areas, you need to leave the skirting off. You then leave a small gap between the wall and the skirting. It allows for expansion and contraction. We then put skirting back on top, so slightly different process to hard flooring items such as vinyl plank, and again slightly different to how we would do it in carpet. And if you haven't already, go ahead, click subscribe, help us lift up our channel. Going to have a stone bench top with a waterfall end, lots of workspaces, scullery in the back corner there for all the utility stuff. In here we've got a media room as well. Couch here, TV on the wall there, sliding door to keep it shut. Obviously still need carpet to go down there. We're going to make that one of the last things we do. So stairs are finally in and the oak flooring carries on up the stairs. Going to have a glass panel here, glass panel here. They're both butt into this. We have glass here, then we can carry the carpet through. So this is the main bedroom, TV wall there, bed here, office over there, walk-in wardrobe here, ready for carpet and racks. Ensuite here. Got two choices of shower. I can use this side or this side. Shower glass has been measured. Mirror cabinets go in the wall here. Very close to being done. And then we're down to the bedrooms. Got a bedroom there, main bathroom there. Downstairs master bedroom here. So this also has its own walk-in wardrobe and ensuite. Massive big tiled shower. Glass has been measured up for this one too. Niche, rain head, shower head, everything you need. Awesome big double vanity. Then we have the fourth bedroom. So 1 bedroom upstairs, 3 bedrooms downstairs, and we've got a little studio around the corner here. Kitchen unit going over there, and multi-use space in here. 4th bathroom just around the corner here, toilet, shower, tiny little ensuite. And we come through to one of 2 big garages here. This one here is 8 by 8, so that's 64 square meters of garage just here. And then we've got the standalone garage over there as well with the hoist going in. So cool to see it all coming together, final home stretch, the last few pieces, tying it all up. Real cool to see the landscaping coming together at the same time as the build. And again, it just highlights the importance of a good landscaping plan early on. Means you're not doubling up on work. It would be one of the things, if I was ever to do this section nobody wanted again, I would do the landscaping plan first. As soon as I design the house, I would put a plan in front of a landscape designer and say, look at the outside, how do the two interact? Until you're standing in a house and you've got walls and windows, it's hard to visualize how it's all going to happen. Being one of the bigger builds we've got on the go, sometimes it's easy to underestimate the size and scale and how long that takes. It chews up time, it chews up money. Things like scaffold, there's so much more of it and it's on site for longer. It takes a little bit longer to move through each stage.